Good morning, fam. You've shown up, and that's the hardest part already done. Today, we're dedicating just 5 minutes to stretch and soothe your hamstrings and lower back, the areas that work the hardest and often carry the most tension. If you've been sitting all day, feeling tight after a workout, or just need a moment to loosen up, this routine is for you. No fancy equipment is needed, just a mat or a soft surface. You can do this in your living room, at the gym, or even outside in the fresh air. Here's what's in store. We'll start with a seated stretch to gently lengthen the back of your legs. Move into targeted stretches to release tension in the lower back and glutes, and finish with a flow to mobilize your spine. This routine was carefully designed to loosen tight muscles, improve flexibility, and leave you feeling light and relaxed. I promise you, by the end of the session, you'll feel refreshed, your back will feel free, and your hamstrings will thank you. Let's hit the mat. Let's kick things off with a gentle stretch that feels like an instant release for your hamstrings and lower back. Sit tall, with your legs extended straight out in front of you. Inhale deeply to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you hinge forward from your hips, reaching for your toes, or as far as feels comfortable. Let your upper body relax and your neck soften. This stretch targets your hamstrings while gently lengthening the spine, easing tension in the lower back. I promise by the end of the stretch, you'll feel lighter and more relaxed. If your hamstrings feel tight, bend your knees slightly or use a yoga strap around your feet for support. Take one more deep breath here, sinking just a little deeper, and let's move to our back for more focused stretches. Now, let's give some love to the lower back and hips, areas that hold so much tension. Hug your right knee into your chest while keeping your left leg extended on the mat. Use your hands to gently pull your knee closer as you inhale and exhale deeply. Switch sides, hugging your left knee into your chest and keeping your right leg extended. The stretch gently decompresses the lower spine and releases tightness in the hips and glutes. By the end of the stretch, I promise your back will feel looser and you'll feel more mobile. If pulling your knee feels too intense, hold the back of your thigh instead. For a deeper stretch, flex the foot of your extended leg. Release your knee. Let your body relax and prepare for some dynamic spinal movement. Time to bring fluidity to the spine. Think of this as the ultimate reset for your back. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly. Lift your chest and gaze upward. Cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis. Cat pose. Flow between these two movements for 1 minute, letting your breath guide you. This stretch improves spinal mobility and releases built-up tension in both the upper and lower back. By the end, your spine will feel aligned and your back will feel energized. If your wrists feel strained, come onto your forearms or use a folded towel for support. Take one last deep exhale, feeling your spine lengthen, and let's target the glutes next. Time to unlock tight glutes and hips. The stretch is a must for anyone who's been sitting for long hours. Lie on your back and cross your right ankle over your left knee, creating a figure 4 shape. Lift your left foot off the ground and hold the back of your left thigh, gently pulling your legs closer to your chest. Release the stretch, take a deep breath, and let's move into a final stretch. Switch sides, crossing your left ankle over your right knee and repeating the stretch. The stretch releases tightness in the glutes and lower back while improving hip mobility. I promise, by the end, your hips will feel open and tension-free. If lifting your foot is challenging, keep it grounded and press your right knee away from your chest for a gentler version. Fam, you've given your hamstrings and lower back the love they deserve. In just 5 minutes, you've released tension, improved flexibility, and set the tone for an amazing day ahead. Remember, you've already won the day by simply showing up. And fam, anytime you see that notification bell go off, just press play. It's that simple. And the only way that can happen is if you subscribe to the channel. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to share this routine with a friend. Accountability is always more fun. As a thank you for being part of the fam, I've created a free gift to help you level up. You'll find the link in the description below. Stay flexible, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.